Hey guys, so I am back with my 4 days of Weight Watcher air fryer recipes, and today is day 2. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next one and future videos. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. So I want to mention that this is out of stock as of now, but it will be back mid-March. So I'll have the link for that if you want to wait for that one. Or they're going to have a different type up on their website around February 10th. And I will have a link down for that as well, in case you guys are curious about the air fryers. So today we're going to make blueberry crisp, and you're going to need 2 cups of any berries of your choice, and I'm obviously using blueberries. And I coated it with some stevia. You could use sugar if you'd like, but stevia, lower in points. And then I had a 1/4 cup of oats and 1 tablespoon of melted butter, 1.5 tablespoons of flour, and then I also added about 1/2 tablespoon of brown sugar. And then I just put that on top of the blueberries, place that inside of the air fryer, and I set the temperature to 250, and then I had it in for, I put 25 minutes, but it was actually finished in 20 minutes. So there you go. It's so good. It would taste really good with some really good ice cream as well. But yeah, it was so delicious. Perfect for the morning or even a snack or dessert. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget I have the cheeseburger pizza one up, and also my husband is starting to upload on his channel again, and he shows how to make fried pickles.